How's it going? What's up and what's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Kiara Ducasse here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Thanks for being here. Highly charged, supercharged, energized. I've got a very cool business proposition a little bit later on, not for you guys, but for myself and a few other people that I've been just speaking to about something cool. So I'm very excited about that. But that's not what this video is about. This video, we're going to do a nice little market update and see what's going on there. But in the meantime, I'm just going to have a sip of my green tea while it's still hot. Otherwise, I do the video and it gets cold. And yeah, guys, anyways. So, guys, I've been pumping videos out for you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying them. And as you can see here, I did a really crazy, awesome video on Veracity again. And then I did another video here on Landshare. And I love these two projects. Honestly, these are two of my favorite projects in crypto. And I would say that they probably fall within my top 10 list, maybe top 8 list. Yeah. So I do love them. I do own both of them. I am staking both of them and I am earning passive rewards and passive incomes. Go check them out. And I'll show you that in those videos. Nonetheless, guys, you know that if you want to trade and you want to trade those, you can go and click my links down below. KuCoin will have Veracity and Gate.io or PancakeSwap has the Landshare token. So, but I do suggest using the Trust wallet to go and stake your Landshare. That's definitely going to be the way forward for you guys. So, okay. In today's video, we're going to do a little bit of a market update to see where we are and what's happening in the space. And that's pretty much it. So let's not waste any more time. You can click my Bybit link down below if you want to trade some of this with me. And you guys can hit a up to a $30,000 deposit bonus link. So in today's crypto market cap, we are currently sitting at about 1.182 trillion. So we're up about 3 billion from yesterday. Not that much of a difference. We're up 0.5% for the day. Trading volume is 38.5 billion. Still not that much change. We're still hovering around the 27,000 mark. So yesterday we spiked down and then we pumped back up above the 27. So it's basically trying to tell us that we don't want to be below the 27 at the moment, but there is a consolidation. There is a bit of a consolidation pattern that's busy unfolding, even though there is a little bit more volatility. So give me a moment. So basically you can see here, Ethereum is at 1826, BNB at 313, XRP 44. There's really no difference since yesterday, guys. A little 1.8% up. Let's go and actually see something a little bit different here. Gainers and losers. Let's see the gainers and the losers for the day. Okay. So these are the top gainers and these are the top losers. So AirSwap, Pink BNB. That's strange. What the hell happened here? 1,858%. That's insane. That's mad. Okay, so you see Zen Crypto has come down a little bit. Now's a good time to buy. If it's down 21%, you want to buy. Okay. Wow, guys. Wow. You see nothing that we know of the special tokens. Wilder Worlds, yes. Render, yes. That's great. Bitmart, yes. Cocos, yes. Cartesi. I'm actually going to be doing a video on Cartesi a little bit later. So make sure to hit that notification bell so that you know when I make that video. And then if you want, guys, I'll actually even do a video about Cocos as well. And we can chat about Cocos because Cocos is a very good one. And I do like Bitmart. And yeah, guys, lots and lots of stuff happening here in the market today, as you can see. Crypto Fear and Greed Index sitting at the same level. Not much difference there. Crypto bubbles have been pumping quite substantially. You can see here, Render's up 36% against BTC, Litecoin up 16.5%, CFX 18%, Lido 26%. So all of these ones that are in the green, guys, remember to take profits against Bitcoin. Now, I actually just want to go and show you something. I can't show you. Okay, wait. Yes, I can show you. So yesterday, we had lots and lots of news about Apple and them coming into the metaverse, especially after being so tight on this space. But now have a look at this. Look how we pumped like crazy yesterday. Yesterday's pump we had a 22% pump from yesterday, just on the Apple announcement. That's small. That's just the announcement, let alone the actual adoption that is and the onboarding that is about to come with this. So I'm just going to go and show you on the weekly time frame where we are. We've got a very, very strong buy signal on the weekly from the stochastic RSI. Here's the first level of resistance, but here is where I expect the price to come up to in a little moment. So I'll do a particular video on this if you guys like, but I'm just going very fast and basic for you. So that is the level, and from where we currently are to there is a good 530% gain that is going to happen potentially on Axie Infinity. So guys, make sure to not miss out on those things. Now, the reason Bitcoin pumped yesterday was how Lightning Network Taproot upgrades to solve BRC20 issues. So it makes it more scalable. Binance CZ optimistic US will change the Haas crypto stance. The bank was solvent, crypto-friendly signature bank unjustly shut down. Of course, we know that there has been a lot of manipulation in the market, and there's a crazy, crazy amount of things that are going on out there. But Tether strengthens stablecoin reserves with BTC investment. That's great. Well done, Tether. You know, that's what we need. We need more of these companies to come into the space and actually do well for the people, not just for themselves and their own company. And by them doing well for their company, they will essentially do well for all of us. So I hope you guys are enjoying that. So guys, the dollar has officially broken out of this sloping trend. Boom. It broke out yesterday. It closed a candle above it. Even though the RSI is telling us we're overbought, we could essentially on the RSI kind of sit and hover a little bit along here before we continue that collapse down, which could essentially push the dollar price up. Now, I'm going to say to you guys that the dollar has already come to a point. There is at a little bit of a resistance level. There is going to be a bit of a rejection here. I wouldn't be surprised if we pull back down to the blue line or the downward sloping trend line and then make our way back up here to this level here. And if we break through this level, we might end up seeing that level like I've said previously on my other videos over here, over here, over here, over here. So very interesting to see that the dollar is doing that. So it is what it is. That's okay. Let the dollar do what it needs to do. But that means for other scenarios, we have yesterday, where is this? Yesterday we had a buy signal on the Bitcoin dominance chart, and that's interesting. So if we had a buy signal, look at the buy, look at the buy. So if we end up coming back up here, do we hit this box as resistance? Or because we're pretty close to it on the RSI, or do we actually break out, retest, and pump back up? Well, it's very interesting because I'm seeing a decoupling from the dollar at the moment. So this is pumping up while the dollar is pumping up. And if we look at the S&P 500, the S&P 500 pumped up yesterday. If we look at the NASDAQ pumped up yesterday. Look at it. It went even past my target, guys, all the way to my line. Now look at where it's at. It's coming to a curving point. Guys, I'm telling you, it's going to cross over and we're going to see this start to fall now very soon. The one most unfortunate thing that I have seen, though, is if you go and look at this on the daily, it's looking very strong and very bullish. But if we go and look at it on the 4-hour, it's showing us bullish momentum as well. But the RSI is a little overbought. But if we go here, and guys, as I said, we're making a turn on this road here. So we can come here, we hit there, bounce back, and then come back up, which would actually be phenomenal for total crypto assets. So crypto, all altcoins. Now, for me, that's great. But if we can't get and break out above this zone here, then that for me is telling us that we have formed the M pattern that I was telling you about, okay, in my video yesterday. So if we don't get through that, that's okay, but it is what it is there. Now, the actual Bitcoin chart, guys, we're coming up to a new moon tomorrow. And as I've spoken to you guys previously, and look where I drew the upward horizontal, the vertical pink lines. That's the blue is full moon. What happens at full moon? We crash. What happens? We crash. At new moon, we pump. At new moon, we pump. At new moon, we pump. Yeah. At new moon, are we going to be pumping? Because the RSI is telling us the same thing, that we potentially are going to be pumping. We had a very strong signal here yesterday. We had a buy. We broke out of this little miniature sloping trend on the 4-hour and the 1 hour here, as you guys can see. And currently right now we're pushing back up off of this box, which we have now found support. So this was a mini fake out. We broke out of this trend line. This is the target essentially up here. So not much more room to go, but it's okay. Then on gold, you can see, guys, we've had a major sell-off on gold right now, but we're coming to the oversold on the daily. But I wouldn't buy gold just yet. In the meantime, I would actually just wait for it to pull back down to the 618, which is probably where it's heading right now. So, guys, lots and lots and lots of stuff there. And essentially, yeah, let's go and actually have a look at one more chart. And let's go and have a look at the Ethereum chart, because I haven't spoken about Ethereum for a short little while. And I'll bring that chart in here on the daily. Look at where we're at. We're also finding support on the box. We're also looking to make a pump back up to this zone right here. And if we fail that zone, then we will be rejected and we'll probably come retest this zone, which is okay, guys. That's the 1700 level. Cool. Buy some more. Buy some more. No financial advice. Guys, if you enjoyed this content, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And of course, you guys, I want to see 10 likes on this video. Please, guys, you know that helps the algorithm. I have enough subscribers watching my channel to give me 10 likes. Please, guys, thanks very much. Appreciate you all. Take care and have a wonderful, beautiful day. And make sure to hit that notification bell, because lots and lots of great content will be coming out and be pumping out there for you today. Thanks for watching. See you later.